Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the addresses, Bitcoin addresses with at least one Bitcoin has reached the number of 1 million. That's a new milestone for sure. Then we have Florida governor signs CBDC bill into law. And what does it mean? Let's talk about this. And we have Binance exchange exiting from Canada. So guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, every day I am making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date, short videos, longer videos. So if that's important for you, if you're interested in crypto, blockchain, economy, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Okay, and now let's do it. Okay, and for start, let me share the screen, and here we can see the prices. So Bitcoin is basically up 2% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is up 1.3%. That makes Bitcoin $27,398 while Ethereum is $1,828. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see Conflux up 13%, Sui up 12%, and Lido down about 10% up. When we're looking at the top losers, then Pepe is down about 10%, Clay down about 6%, and eCash down 3%. Okay, when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that actually Bitcoin went all the way down here around 26,000-ish, which is a very important level because around this here is the 200 moving average on the weekly. And it worked as support, to be honest with you. Now we're coming back, and we will see, because we had our head and shoulders, and the target of the head and shoulders pattern would be around 23,000. But it can happen that it's not going down all the way that, and we turning back. So we will see in the next couple of days. So anyway, this is what's happening. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that the Bitcoin addresses holding one Bitcoin or more has reached the number of 1 million. So we can see that those addresses which holding at least one Bitcoin, they increasing quite well. And when you're looking at this here, this article, you can see that according to Glassnode, actually 2 days ago, on the 13th of May, here you can see the data, these addresses, the number of these addresses has reached 1 million. And here you can see also that the number of wallet addresses holding one Bitcoin or more spiked the most around June and November in last year, 2022. We do know when we had this FTX collapse and other things, which pushed actually Bitcoin price quite well down. And because of this was a perfect time to accumulate Bitcoin for many, and therefore they did so. And now so many addresses, right now more than 1 million holding at least one Bitcoin. I think this is a major goal for someone to holding at least one Bitcoin, and really Bitcoin becomes what we believe it will become. That can mean a significant wealth in the future in 5-10 years time. So even if you do not accumulate like crazy and having, I don't know how many Bitcoins or Bitcoin, and it's not easy. It's not easy for many people to get one Bitcoin. And it's really up to you if you believe in or not. But if you do believe in Bitcoin, then it's good to have it. And I think probably DCA is the best strategy, because then every week, every month, or whatever you do it, you add something to your portfolio. You increasing your Satoshi amount on your portfolio, and sooner or later you will get to this magic number, the one Bitcoin. But it takes time, and it's not that cheap anymore. Bitcoin is around $27,000. It's a lot of money, to be honest with you. Okay, but it's up to you. If you're interested and if you believe in Bitcoin, then this is a great goal, I believe. Okay, next topic. The next topic, it's all about that Florida's governor signed CBDC bill into law. So clearly, the governor of Florida, it's not really for CBDCs. So here you can see this article that Florida governor signed CBDC bill into law, restricting some uses of US and foreign CBDCs. So the new law signed by Governor Ron DeSantis also urges other states to take action against the potential introduction of CBDCs through their commercial codes. And he's now saying that we looked at that and said we are not going to add central bank digital currency to our commercial code, but we also said we need to add protection for Florida people in Florida against this, and so we will put it into uniform commercial code that CBDCs is something we do not recognize. And actually, this is actually a twist in a way that usually politicians are for CBDCs. And here we have the governor of Florida, and he has spoken a couple of times against the CBDCs, and now he signs CBDC bill into law. So I think this is a step forward, and maybe if they continue, like really, people in Florida will be protected against CBDCs, which would be a cool thing for them. Right, okay, and the third topic is all about that the Binance exits Canada. So we have the biggest exchange, Binance, announces exit from Canada, citing regulatory tensions. So the world's largest crypto exchange by volume said new guidance related to stablecoins and investor limits prompted the exit. So basically, they're saying that they do negotiate with the regulators, but with the present circumstances, what we have according to stable coins and investor limits, they just simply cannot function in kind of like this. Therefore, they are going to leave the country. It doesn't mean they might not come back or something like that. Things are changing, but at the present, this is their announcement. And yes, we can see that, even in Canada, but we have the United States, they're really not cryptocurrency exchange friendly in the way they do things. We do have the SEC going against Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and so on and so forth. So how long it will take and what they're going to reach, we're going to see it. But at the present, this is just right now for Canada. But there are so many other countries. They welcome cryptocurrencies, and these exchanges just more than happy to go there, to be honest with you. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making a couple of fresh videos for you to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, and I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.